All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. All right, so it looks like the crypto market is bouncing. It looks like the dip that we had in December, we are recovering from that. And I think it's going to be a really good January. I think January is going to set the tone for the year. And I think we're going to see huge price swings this month. And we're already seeing it in prices today. I woke up, I looked at the prices, and a lot of coins are up. Specifically, the AI space. I'm seeing a lot of the AI plays up 10, 15%, and it's looking pretty good. Now, um, I said this last year, right? Once things start to take off, you're not going to have a chance to get in, right? And 10 to 15% increase, you're already kind of out of the boat, right? If you haven't got in December or previously, we're already starting that upswing. So, you don't have much time left to get in if you really, really haven't built a position. Again, I don't recommend just getting into any coin. If you're new to the space, try to look into, and not try to get into because it's not financial advice, but try to look at Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana. I would even throw Solana in there because at this point, those three coins are pretty solid, and I don't think you can go wrong with those coins at this point, right? But if you're a new person just getting into the space, I don't think it's beneficial for you to just jump into one of those lower market cap coins and think you're going to end up doing good, right? Because the main thing that you need when it comes to a bull market is you need extreme conviction, and that conviction takes at least 6 months to build up. So if you haven't been thinking about a coin for 6 months, I wouldn't be just trying to jump into anything at this point. But yeah, let me share my screen so we could look at some prices. Let me share my screen. Give me just a sec. All right. So if we look at BTC, yesterday, it's up 2.55% from yesterday. We were in the 95 area. Now we're in the 96.39. So it's bouncing pretty good. And even before that, we were at 92. Actually, yeah, my bad. We were at 92 yesterday. I forgot I was looking at the 7-day chart. So we were at 92 yesterday. Now we're at 96.4. So again, it just shows you how fast the crypto market can move in a bull market. I mean, we within several hours we're up 4,000 on BTC. And again, this is just kind of a preview of what we're going to see all year. We're going to see explosive moves from BTC. We're going to see explosive moves from altcoins, and at this point, it's getting started. All right, so let's see what else. Ethereum's still lagging a bit, and again, I attribute that to Solana taking the the Ethereum spot as the number one L1. Now, obviously, Ethereum has a higher market cap, and I do think once people start taking a liking to the Ethereum spot ETFs, they're gonna you're gonna see that price increase in Ethereum, and I think that probably will happen this month, right? And remember, for Ethereum, we're looking at that 46, 47 area for it to break, for us to actually confirm that it's a breakout since it's past highs. Ethereum, I mean, BTC has already broken its past highs. Typically, what follows is a break in Ethereum, right? So for Ethereum to do that, it's 45. But if we go to the trading view, It's around that 4,800, 4,850 mark, right? So it has 1,400 to go. But again, to me, the chart is just looking very bullish for Ethereum. We had this run up here, a slight dip, but then we ran up. And for me, this is just kind of like a consolidation period so we can make that next leg up. And I think the next leg up is going to be the one where it breaks its past all-time highs. And once Ethereum breaks its past all-time highs, we will see altcoins go crazy. Now, I do think that the hot narratives are going to go, it could go prior to Ethereum breaking its all-time highs. So let's take a look at some of these alts. Avalanche is moving, Chainlink is moving, but let's look at the last hour. Let's do 24 hours. Farcoin. This is what you say about like memes. Up 44% for no reason. And I have but this Farcoin was, a lot of people are talking about this. I'm not sure what it actually is. It's a meme coin, but I'm not sure where it came from. But again, and it's at $1 billion market cap. That just shows you. But again, one thing we want to mention about meme coins, and the reason why they run up so well is because of their fully diluted value. You got to remember, when people create these meme coins, there's no initial offering, right? They just create coins out of nowhere. So it's not like a VC is getting a bunch of coins and then somebody else is getting coins. So that's what meme coins have for it. The market cap and fully diluted value is always the same. So it's, that's what it has for it. But as far as utility, no utility, right? And usually the names are ridiculous. But Brett, I think Brett is another meme coin as well. And again, 1.34 to 1.36. So their market cap is pretty close to the fully diluted value. But one coin that's I actually have a lot of people have been talking about is this Virtuous protocol. So it's a coin that allows you to deploy AI agents. And for those of you who don't know, AI agents is a huge narrative right now. Specifically, it goes hand in hand with the overall AI narrative. It's a subsector of the AI narrative, right? So you kind of have like AI, you have AI agents, and then you have the DPIN, like your GPU, decentralized GPU. And then you also have your I think BitTensor is like subnets as well. It's almost like Avalanche, where it has like different subnets where like different agents can communicate to each other. So there's different variations of this AI stuff, but Virtuous is one of the most popular ones right now, especially being at a $4.5 billion market cap. It's on the Base network. So, and what I'm seeing is the Base network is taking off. And it's the layer 2 for Coinbase. It doesn't have a coin, so but we're seeing a lot of projects from the Base network, like a Aerodrome, like a Virtuous, and I think Brett, like that meme coin that we were just looking at, that's part of that too. It may be part of that or Solana. Let's ask. What is Brett? What platform is Brett meme coin on? Let's see. I want to know. Okay, yeah, it is Solana. My bad. Oh, it's also on the Base chain too. Based on the search, Brett meme coin is on the Solana blockchain, specifically as a standard Solana token, and also on the Base chain, where it's the official mascot. So it is on the Base chain, right? I've heard somebody saying it was on the Base chain, but yeah. I think the Base platform is just taking off, right? And the reason being is because typically with the layer 2, and I don't think Polygon's a layer 2. I think it's like a side chain, but I'm trying to think of like a Stacks, right? Like a Stacks is kind of like a layer two for BTC, but it has its own coin. Base, it just has like the backing of Coinbase, but it doesn't have its own coin. So we're seeing all these coins pop off on Base, and it's because I think the reason being is because Coinbase doesn't have a coin, right? So all of that value is going to all these coins on Base, and you're seeing it take off, like Virtuous Protocol, Aerodrome, the meme coins, and all that stuff. So yeah. But all right, so let's take a look at what else? What else is moving up? 24 hours. BitTensor is up. Again, Aerodrome Finance is up. Athena, which I think this is a stable coin. But I heard a lot about that. Render, artificial super intelligence. Okay, so a lot of Nair. So again, I think these are going to be the top plays for 2025. Like these AI plays, right now we're seeing them tick up, and I think this is just the beginning. I think AI is where you need to be, or some type of layer one that is helping contribute to the AI narrative essentially. So yeah, I think that's what we're seeing right now. We're seeing an AI play along with these meme coins, right? Like a Pudgy Penguins. What else? Bonk. Shiba up 5%. So we're seeing things move. And I think this is just the beginning. I think January is going to be really great. Again, just some stuff to remember going into the bull market. Let me see, is there anything else I want to cover? No, and it looks like the Fear and Greed Index is slowly ticking up. I think it was at like, what, 43 or 48? So that's probably going to change in the next month. People are going to get really greedy, especially when the market starts making these violent moves. All right, so that's pretty much what I wanted to cover for the market. BTC is going up. The whole crypto market is going up. But just some things to remember. Make sure you are taking profit throughout this bull run. Make sure you are taking profit throughout this bull run. We're going to see prices go crazy, and it's hard to stay focused, especially when you see your portfolio go up 20, 30, 40, 50% in a day, and you just think it's going to keep going up forever. So make sure you know your targets when it comes to this bull run, and make sure you take profit as prices go up, right? Because you don't want to get to the end of the year, you haven't taken any profits, and now you're left holding the bag, right? So, okay, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.